Welcome back to Degenerate EDC. EDC done degenerately. Man, it's been a little while since I've been able to do an unboxing, but here we are, here we go. CRKT is in the building. Let's go. Now, this one is, something for the collection. Something I saw that I thought was worth having, worth opening, and worth unveiling. Looks, feels, and smells brand new, just like I like it. And looky here, looky here. Nice feel. Nice grip. Nice action. Check out those curves. Well, here you go. Designed for EDC. EDC done degenerately. This was a special treat. I saw it and said, why not? Why not? And here we are. Yeah. This is the unveiling. G10 handle, D2 steel, thermoplastic sheath. I mean, come on. Comes with the works. It comes fully loaded. If you're into this little here fixed blade, I'm going to leave a link in the description. That way you can get your hands on the same exact CRKT Razel. Thanks for tuning in to this Degeneracy. For a full, absolute degenerate review on the CRKT Razel, click the link on the lower left. You will see more degeneracy